Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to learn how to create directories and also create files. We're also going to look at how to copy directories and copy files, okay? But before we head over to this lecture, if you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new content. So let's jump right into the lecture. For this lecture, I'm logged in as myself. I'm logged in as T Godgift. So I want to start by opening a new terminal. And then to confirm, I'll do who am I. Okay, so it shows that I'm logged in as myself. And then I want to be sure which directory I'm working from. You can see I'm actually working from my home directory /home/T Godgift. Okay. So I'll just clear this to keep my screen clean. Now, for us to be able to create a directory, the command to do that is very simple. mkdir, and then I'll do this, Timmy J. By the way, Timmy J is the name of my first son. Okay, so you can see we have our prompt back. That means the command was successful. Now, to confirm if this directory exists, I'll come here and open this. And then you can see that, sorry, let me just place this side by side. You can see that the directory Timmy J exists, okay, which is this one. That's the one I just created. Now, the same way you can just click anywhere, in your Windows machine and then create a new folder by just pointing to new and then doing this, and renaming the folder whatever you want. Okay, that's just what we did on our Linux machine. The only difference here is if you don't have access to the GUI, you can do it with the command line, and that's what I've done. Okay, but if you have the liberty of installing a GUI, you can just right click and then do new folder, okay, and call it student. Okay, and you have your student here. You have the one I created with the command line. So whichever works for you, okay, depending on your environment, depending on your organization and what policies are in place. Okay, so let's move on. I'll quickly close this so we don't get confused. So let's move on. So this is just how to create a directory, mkdir Timmy J. Okay, so if I list the content of my home directory, you'll find the two directories we created, Timmy J and student. Okay, so once again, I'll clear my screen. And then how do we create a file? Very simple. We use the touch command, touch abi, and the file abi is created. You want to confirm, open this, and then you see abi here. Again, if you want to confirm with the command line, you do ls -l, and then you see abi here. Okay, so this is just a simple way to create a file. You can create multiple files with just one single command. For instance, you can do touch ella itai, and you can do eza. Let's confirm. ls space-l, and then we have abi, we have eza, we have ella, we have itai. Okay, and then if you want to confirm from the GUI, open this. You see the files that we all created. Okay, so another way to create a file is through the copy command. Okay, what the copy command does is very simple. It takes the content of the source file and then creates a destination file okay, with the name, with whatever name you give. Okay, let's assume that I want to copy the contents of Aza to another destination. I simply do copy Aza to Eno, and the file is created. Okay, so let's confirm with the command line. You can see Eno is here. Okay, you want to confirm with the GUI, Eno is here as well. Okay, so I close this, and then let me clear my screen to keep this clean and organized. Now, assuming you want to delete a directory, you want to remove a directory, you no longer need that directory. What do you do? How do you do that? Very simple. You can do RM, that's short form for remove, and then you have to use this option -arrow TimmyJ, and we have our command prompt back. It shows our command was successful. So if I click on this home directory, you can observe that we don't have the directory TimmyJ again. Okay, so I'll close this, and then also I want to remove the directory student. So I'll do this student. Again, we have our command prompt back. So if I confirm by opening this, you'll observe that we don't have the directory student. Okay, so this is how you remove your directory. And then also I want to remove all of these files that I created. Abi, Aza, Ella, Eno, and Itai. Okay, so I'll do this. Abi, Aza, Itai, and Eno. So in one command, I've been able to remove all 4 files. Let's confirm. Oh, there's still one remaining, Ella, which I forgot to remove. It's fine, I'll do that. But then let's confirm using our command line again. You can see the only one that is left is the one I did not delete. Okay, which is Ella. That's the only one that is left. So let's go ahead and remove that. Okay, so it's done. If I do ls-l again, you can see I've removed everything I created. Okay, so this is just a simple way to create a directory, remove a directory, create a file, and remove a file if you want. Okay, I hope this video was interesting to you. If it was, kindly like it and share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.